The source of our air quality concerns is still a major problem. Canada's worst wildfire season on record has seen nearly 25 million acres of land burned this year. Right now, a total of 887 wildfires are burning across Canada, including 23 that started Sunday. Warm and dry conditions are fuel for wildfires. This year, much of Canada has experienced record heat and drought as climate change continues to warm the planet. According to the Canada Drought Monitor, all 10 provinces are experiencing abnormal dryness or moderate to severe droughts.
Last year, the 2022 wildfire season actually started late and burned in some parts of the province well into the month of October. And in some areas, we've even seen fires, we call them holdover wildfires, that continued to burn underground through the winter and popped up again in the spring.
According to the Canadian Wildland Fire Information System, the destruction from these fires has been 13 times worse than the 10-year average. That means conditions like this will continue to impact the United States. Earlier this week, the Quad Cities spent nearly 3 days in unhealthy air quality conditions. But that also extended to places like Wyoming and New England. The haze reached the nation's capital, where a code orange air quality alert was issued. According to the National Weather Service, a code orange means pollution may become unhealthy for sensitive groups.